you're coming my way, you're coming my way tonight. Here goes another mistake. I know I'm gonna make, I know I'm gonna make tonight.
So for today's video, we will show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube with the help of Brian and John Ray. Now let's begin.
So hello guys, for today's video we're going to solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This is the easiest version to solve and it has only 3 algorithms or patterns we're going to use for solving this. So without further ado, let's get started. The first step is we need to arrange one color of this cube. You can arrange color, any color if you want. So here I'm going to arrange white color. For solving one color, it has no pattern to use because it's just simple. After solving the one color, this is now our base. As you can see, the first layer is also solved. So the next step is solving the top color. To solve the top color, you can face in any direction. But remember that our base is always our base and our top is opposite to our base. So we have here the first algorithms for solving one piece of color, which is yellow. We have here the algorithms up, right, down, right, up, right, twice, right, and down. If it is not yet solved, repeat the process until there's only one piece of color left that is opposite to our base. Then we have here, we have now the one piece of color which is yellow. Then we are now going to solve the entire top color. To solve the entire top color, we must put one piece of color which is yellow in the lower left corner and then do these algorithms: up, left, up on the left, right, down, left, and then down. So as you can see, the color yellow is already solved. So for final step, we are now going to solve the entire cube. So as you can see, there's only one color that is arranged, which is pink. To solve these two color left, we need to face in front of them and then do these algorithms for solving the entire color. Down, front, down again, B prime or our back prime, back twice, up, F prime, up, B prime again, twice, up, twice, B prime, twice again, and then to the left. This is how 2x2 Rubik's Cube is arranged.